I'm filming a camera with a camera. And there's another camera. This is entertaining. So as you may or may not have noticed, this is not my usual setup and this is not my usual production quality. As I mentioned, I think I may have mentioned last week. Did I mention last week? I don't know if I mentioned last week, but I wanted to up my production values more and I was going to get some equipment from my school. I've done that. So I figured I would just show you what I'm hoping will become the continuous setup for all of his projects into the future. I'm not reading a script this time, as you can tell from the ums and ahs, and the fact that I'm making continuous eye contact with either camera. So it may affect the flow of the episodes, but I'm hoping that due to the actual drastically improved production quality, it looks pretty good. I don't know anything about lighting or recording. I just don't know anything. I'm learning this as I go, so I'm hoping this looks good. I have opportunities to re-record this. But hey, I'm gonna grab a camera, specifically this one, and we'll go through what you can see. Alright, so as you can see right now I'm just filming using my phone. It's a Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro and it can film up to 4K 30fps, however that's notably not what we're doing. We're doing 1080p 60, because these cameras that I'm holding, namely these ones, are just cheap handycams, so they can only do 1080p at 50. So we're going to try and mix the 1080p 50 and the 1080p 60 out of that and hopefully it doesn't look too bad. What you may have also noticed is the giant lights either side of me. These are newer something or other lights. They can do multiple different color temperatures at multiple different settings and can be controlled over Wi-Fi. But the point to me was actually having a 2-point lighting system, because I've never had that before. And frankly, I don't know what I'm doing. It looked good in the previews, so I'm just hoping it will look good. I'm also noticing it's causing sunspots on this camera. I hope that doesn't look too terrible. And then third off, we have this thing. This is Tascam DR07 Mark II. It is recording right now, and you can see the levels going up. I don't know how good an audio this is creating, because obviously my distance from it. So we'll have to see in editing, I don't actually know. And for context, there is my PC, and there is the rough script of this episode, which is actually the script for week 8, because the opening joke of this episode was going to be that I was going to re-record the entire episode and then go, what? It's all changed. But I will say, I quite like this setup. I think that it's going to give me a lot more opportunity to make this look good, because that's something I've wanted to do since I started the project, quite frankly. Like you can see in the other episodes where I'm taking stuff out, this was about filmmaking, and it's about fulfilling a passion that I've had for a while, but I didn't really have anything to put into it. Like, yes, it's about my projects, it's about me talking about my projects, and it's great for promotion, but at the same time, it lets me play about with this stuff and have an excuse to play about with this stuff. And I love that. So, expect more videos like this. I'm hoping to get one of the mirrorless cameras out of the media suite that we have for the next video. Fingers crossed. I wasn't able to get that one this week. We will see. If it doesn't happen, we'll continue using this. I'm pretty sure it's fine enough. If not better than what the mirrorless will put out, but I want to play with the mirrorless camera. So, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.